Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. So after release of GLM5, many of you asked me in my previous video, so this was the video, and there you asked me that how you can use the GLM5 through the API endpoint. And here is the detailed video, step by step process. I will show you how you can get the token, what should be the base URL and the model ID. Okay, so basically if you want to use this GLM5 inside VS Code or any of the ID, and if you use it through client or rucode or kilocode extension, then you need these three options like base URL, API key and this model ID. So first select this API provided as the OpenAI compatible in this section. Next is the base URL. So I have given this base URL in description. Otherwise I have given one link. So this is the link for the model. So model research, this is the company. They are actually giving the free access to this GLM5, and they have mentioned that they are giving access until April 30th. So until April 30th you will get this GLM5 access for free. And here you see that I have tried this model and these are the logs that I have got. Okay, now this is the base URL that you copy from description, or otherwise if you come to this page, then from here to here, okay, up to this V1 you have to copy it. Okay, so just paste it here in this section base URL. Here you see, let me just show you up to this V1. Now you need this API key. So the link that I have given in description, this is the modal.com and GLM5 endpoint. Come to this page and do the sign up, and after that you will find this kind of interface. Okay, so here what you have to do, on the left hand side you will find this create token option. So click on this create token, and after that a pop-up will be appear, and you have to give your token name here. So give any name, A, B, C, D, whatever you prefer. Now whenever you will press enter, you will get your token or you will get your API key. So copy that API key and paste that API key here in this section. Okay, now you need the model ID. So the model ID is also present here. Okay, so as I pressed enter, here you see that the token I got. Okay, so in this way you will get your token also. Now the model ID is this one, zai-org GLM5 API. So you can copy the model ID from description, there I have already given. So from description you will get the base URL and model ID. So only for the token you need to come here and generate that. Okay, fine. Okay, now here you see that I have done the setup, and now if I just write hi and press enter, you will find that thinking, this model GLM5 is thinking and it will give you the response. Here you see. Okay, so this is the procedure to set up this GLM5 endpoint with any of the ID, with any of this extension, and yes, you will get this free access. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you guys, and if you found this video helpful and if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.